In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update bank transactions in Zoho Books, a full guide for 2025. Whether you're new to Zoho or just need a refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. Now let's dive right in. To get started, navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your main hub and the starting point for updating bank transactions. Make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and find yourself at the dashboard. Here, you'll see an overview of your financial data, and from this point, we'll move into more specific areas to manage your bank transactions effectively. Next, go ahead and click on Documents in the menu. The Documents section in Zoho Books is crucial as it houses various types of financial documents that you can upload and manage, including bank statements. This helps you to keep track of your financial history and ensure your records are up to date. Once you're in the Documents section, you'll want to click on Bank Statements. This will bring you to an interface where you can see all previously uploaded statements or where you can start uploading new information. Here you can also manage and organize your bank-related documents all in one place. If you haven't already enabled bank statement uploads, you might see an option titled Enable Now. Click on Enable Now. This step is only necessary if it's your first time using this feature or if you haven't enabled it yet. Enabling this feature allows Zoho Books to handle bank statements effectively and streamlines the process of feeding financial data directly into your bookkeeping system. After enabling the feature, you're ready to upload a file. Locate the Upload File option and click on it. This will open a dialog box where you can select the bank statement file from your computer that you wish to upload. Make sure that your bank statement is in a compatible format such as PDF or CSV before uploading. Having your files ready and organized will save you time during this process. Once the dialog box opens, select the statement you want to upload from your computer's file system. Click on Open or Upload depending on your operating system to start the uploading process. The statement will then be added to your bank statement records within Zoho Books. This action makes it straightforward to compare and reconcile your transactions with the entries in your Zoho Books account. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your bank transactions in Zoho Books. Remember, keeping your financial records updated and accurate is key to successful bookkeeping. I hope this tutorial has helped you navigate Zoho Books with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your finances seamlessly. Thank you for watching and happy bookkeeping.